Discover the secret to soft, kissable lips overnight. Wake up to lips that feel hydrated and smooth. Let's dive into a DIY honey lip mask. All you need are a few simple ingredients: 1 teaspoon of honey, coconut oil, and shea butter. Got 'em? Now melt the coconut oil and shea butter together until smooth. Now, mix in that magical honey for an extra hydration boost. Pour this golden goodness into a small container and let it cool. Apply a thick layer before bed and voila! Wake up to smooth, hydrated lips every morning. But hey, if DIY isn't your thing, there's an easier alternative. Check out CNP Honey Lip Butter, Propolis Lipserin. It's an overnight Manuka lip balm and mask that hydrates for 12 hours, gently exfoliates, and smoothens fine lines. All this Korean skincare magic for only $17. Try it tonight and feel the difference by morning. Your lips deserve the best care, and now it's easier than ever to achieve. Link in bio for the most hydrated lips ever.